Dreams have fascinated humans for centuries, serving as a source of inspiration, mystery, and even fear. From ancient civilizations that viewed dreams as messages from the gods to modern scientists who study them as a window into the brain, dreams remain one of the most intriguing aspects of human experience. But why do humans have dreams? What purpose do they serve, and what happens in the brain when we dream? The science behind dreams is a complex and evolving field, drawing on research from neuroscience, psychology, and even evolutionary biology. While there is no single definitive answer to why we dream, several theories and findings shed light on this enigmatic phenomenon. Dreams occur during the rapid eye movement (REM) stage of sleep, a phase characterized by heightened brain activity, rapid eye movements, and vivid mental imagery. Although dreams can also occur during non-REM sleep, they are typically less vivid and less memorable. The REM stage is one of several sleep cycles that the brain goes through each night, and it is during this stage that the brain becomes highly active, almost as active as when we are awake. This increased activity is thought to play a key role in the creation of dreams, but the exact mechanisms and purposes of dreaming are still not fully understood. One of the most widely accepted theories about why we dream is the activation synthesis hypothesis, proposed by Harvard psychiatrists J. Allen Hobson and Robert McCarley in the 1970s. According to this theory, dreams are the brain's attempt to make sense of random neural activity that occurs during REM sleep. During this stage, the brainstem sends signals to the cerebral cortex, the part of the brain responsible for higher-order thinking and perception. These signals are essentially random, but the cortex tries to interpret them by weaving them into a coherent narrative, resulting in what we experience as dreams. This theory suggests that dreams are essentially a byproduct of the brain's activity during sleep, rather than having a specific purpose. However, not all researchers agree with the activation synthesis hypothesis. Another prominent theory is the threat simulation theory, proposed by Finnish psychologist Antti Raivanchuo. This theory posits that dreams evolved as a way for humans to practice responding to threats and dangerous situations in a safe environment. According to this view, the brain uses dreams to simulate potential challenges, such as escaping from a predator or navigating a difficult social situation, allowing us to rehearse and refine our responses. This theory is supported by the observation that many dreams contain elements of danger or conflict, and that the emotions experienced during dreams are often intense and vivid. From an evolutionary perspective, the ability to practice survival skills in dreams could have provided a significant advantage to our ancestors. Another theory, known as the memory consolidation theory, suggests that dreams play a role in processing and storing memories. During sleep, the brain reviews and organizes information gathered throughout the day, transferring it from short-term to long-term memory. Dreams may be a reflection of this process, as the brain integrates new experiences with existing knowledge and emotions. Research has shown that sleep, particularly REM sleep, is crucial for memory consolidation, and that people who are deprived of REM sleep often experience difficulties with learning and memory. This theory is supported by studies showing that the brain regions involved in memory formation, such as the hippocampus, are highly active during REM sleep. The emotional regulation theory offers another perspective on the purpose of dreams. According to this theory, dreams help us process and regulate our emotions, particularly those that are difficult to confront or resolve while awake. During REM sleep, the brain processes emotional experiences in a way that reduces their intensity, allowing us to wake up feeling more balanced and less overwhelmed. This theory is supported by the fact that the amygdala, the brain region responsible for processing emotions, is highly active during REM sleep. Additionally, people who experience trauma or stress often report having vivid and emotionally charged dreams, which may reflect the brain's attempt to process and cope with these experiences. Dreams may also serve a creative function, providing a space for the brain to explore new ideas and solutions to problems. Many artists, writers, and scientists have reported drawing inspiration from their dreams, and some of history's most famous discoveries, such as the structure of the benzene molecule, were reportedly inspired by dreams. This creative aspect of dreaming may be linked to the brain's ability to make novel connections between seemingly unrelated pieces of information during REM sleep. By breaking free from the constraints of logical thinking, dreams may allow the brain to explore new possibilities and generate innovative ideas. While these theories offer valuable insights into the potential functions of dreams, it is important to recognize that dreams are highly subjective and can vary widely from person to person. Some people report having vivid, detailed dreams every night, while others rarely remember their dreams at all. The content of dreams can also be influenced by a variety of factors, including stress, anxiety, medications, and even diet. For example, people who are experiencing high levels of stress or anxiety often report having more frequent and intense nightmares, while certain medications, such as antidepressants, can affect the frequency and vividness of dreams. The study of dreams is further complicated by the fact that they are difficult to observe and measure directly. Unlike other physiological processes, such as heart rate or brain activity, dreams are inherently private and can only be accessed through self-report. This reliance on subjective accounts makes it challenging to study dreams in a scientific manner, and researchers must often rely on indirect methods, such as analyzing brain activity during sleep or studying the effects of dream deprivation. Despite these challenges, advances in neuroscience and technology have provided new tools for studying dreams. For example, functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, and electroencephalography, EEG, allow researchers to observe brain activity during sleep and identify patterns associated with dreaming. These techniques have revealed that the brain undergoes significant changes during REM sleep, with increased activity in regions associated with emotion, memory, and visual imagery. Researchers have also used these tools to study the effects of dream deprivation, showing that people who are deprived of REM sleep often experience cognitive and emotional difficulties, further supporting the idea that dreams serve important functions. Another area of research focuses on lucid dreaming, a state in which the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming and can sometimes control the content of their dreams. Lucid dreaming provides a unique opportunity to study the nature of consciousness and the boundaries between waking and dreaming states. Research has shown that lucid dreaming is associated with increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for self-awareness and decision-making. This suggests that lucid dreaming may involve a blending of the brain's waking and sleeping states, offering insights into the neural mechanisms underlying consciousness. The study of dreams also has practical applications, particularly in the field of mental health. Dreams can provide valuable insights into a person's emotional state and psychological well-being, and they are often used in psychotherapy to explore unresolved issues and unconscious thoughts. For example, the analysis of recurring dreams or nightmares can help identify underlying sources of stress or trauma, and techniques such as dream journaling and guided imagery can be used to process and resolve these issues. Additionally, understanding the role of dreams in emotional regulation and memory consolidation can inform treatments for conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and depression. In conclusion, the science behind dreams is a complex and multifaceted field that continues to evolve as researchers uncover new insights into the brain and its functions. While there is no single definitive answer to why humans dream, several theories offer compelling explanations, including the activation synthesis hypothesis, the threat simulation theory, the memory consolidation theory, and the emotional regulation theory. Each of these theories highlights a different aspect of dreaming, from its role in processing emotions and memories to its potential for creativity and problem solving. Dreams are a universal human experience, yet they remain deeply personal and subjective, reflecting the unique thoughts, emotions, and experiences of each individual. As research continues to advance, our understanding of dreams and their significance will undoubtedly deepen, shedding light on one of the most mysterious and fascinating aspects of the human mind.